Okay, you guys wanted video of my keyboard fucking up? This is what I am trying to do right now. So I was literally mid-sentence typing an email for work. The keyboard no longer, so see, I'm in this Word document now. I am typing and nothing is happening in the document except if I fully wail on the keys, some of them trigger stuff. I don't see it just opened this with me randomly hitting letter keys. This is really frustrating, and this is like a new keyboard, you guys. It is so pretty, but I need it to effing work, okay? Hopefully that is enough for you. I'm gonna take a picture of the back of the keyboard, and I'm gonna send all this to you.